Hello, I'm Andrew Kavanaugh, and I wanted to talk to you about learning Photoshop and Lightroom online. So I offer online Photoshop and Lightroom lessons via Zoom, StreamYard, or Adobe Connect. You can schedule an online lesson from the comfort of your own home at my photoshopandphotography.com page. I'm available to focus on your specific projects, themes, or goals. We can focus on a review of the tools, color and tonal correction, layers and layer masks, fundamentals of resolution, photo compositing, photo retouching, Photoshop creative montage, which I love to do, using the pen tool and creating clipping paths, color grading and duotones for those colorization, color effects, type layout and design for your marketing needs for either online such as Facebook or creating things like flyers that can be printed, image optimization and saving for both print and web, Adobe Camera Raw and Adobe Bridge, and Adobe Lightroom organizing, labeling or keywords, developing and exporting and saving. So you can contact me for Photoshop and Lightroom tutoring and photo editing at photoshopandphotography.com, contact, and you can check out my website itself, Photoshop and Photography, at photoshopandphotography.com. Thank you.